What's the meaning of blowtorch? Blowtorch. Blowtorch.
Blowtorch. Blowtorch. A blowtorch is a tool that is used for heating something up quickly, usually for the purpose of melting or brazing metal. The device works by mixing a flammable gas with oxygen and igniting it, creating a high-temperature flame that can exceed 1000 degrees Celsius. Blowtorches are commonly used in welding, plumbing, and other metalwork tasks, as well as in cooking, e.g. for caramelizing sugar on top of desserts. However, they can be dangerous if not handled properly, and should always be used with caution and appropriate protective gear to prevent burns and fires.